In this video, I'm going to show you how to trim your quarter circle blocks so that once they're sewn together, they line up perfectly for a beautiful image. Here I'll be showing you how I use it in my Bloom of the Month quilt, but this template is used in lots of my other designs and other designer patterns as well. To trim your quarter circle blocks with the 1/4 inch edge, we are going to start on the crust edges. We'll trim those first and then we'll trim the remainder after. So on this portion of trimming we have two goals. One is to get straight edges and the other is to get a 1/4 inch piece of crust or background fabric sticking out on the edge of your block. So we're going to focus on those two lines. So first we're lining up that 1/4 inch line with the edge of your filling and keeping that, making sure that we still have enough to get to our 5-inch total block when we're through. So we're going to keep all of those things in mind as we make our first cut and trim off that extra fabric. And we're going to turn and do the same thing on the other side. So we have one straight edge to work with now, and we want to focus on that 1/4 inch crust piece. So focus on that and lining up that bottom edge with your fabric. Once everything lines up, you can go ahead and trim the remaining piece. And now that that's done, we have two straight edges, which is great because that will make the final two edges really easy for us. So our goal here is to make sure we end up with a 5-inch block. So I'm going to use that 5-inch mark along one of the straight edges that I've created as we trim the opposite edge. I like to take a minute here to just make sure everything lines up nicely, that I still have my 1/4 inch background pieces, and then I'll trim, even if it's just a little bit of fuzz to clean things up. And now we'll do the same thing on the other side, again using that 5-inch mark. Line everything up, make sure it's all perfect before you make your final cut. So make sure that you do this on each and every block because it will make all the difference in how they line up once you go to stitch them together.